Welcome to creating a listing trail. From the main screen we can select on Systems, we can select Trails, and we can see here we have a list of all the trails that are currently in the system. To add a new trail we can select New Trail from the red toolbar, and this will automatically take us through to our data entry screen where we can see our trail code. We need to make sure we add in our trail type, and this is how it determines in the database where we see our trails from. So in this case we want to see our trail from the listings database. So we select listings and we want to give our trail a description, and this is the description we'll see in the drop down list when we try to select our trail. So this is the properties being taken from the market trail. The next step we need to do is we need to start adding in the activities. So we need to brainstorm these activities to make sure that we have all the steps necessary to complete this task. So I'd select new activity once I've got all these steps. In this case it's going to be a task, and I can either ID these to one person so that no matter who sets this trail, that task always goes to that person, or I can leave them empty so that it will always go to the person that sets the trail. Or you can use the listed by in this case for a listings trail, and it will go to the person who's listed the property. So in this instance I'm going to leave them blank, and I'm going to type in a description for these tasks. So the first thing to do is let the team know. So we could use the messaging database to let the team know so that it's tracked within complete data. The next activity is going to be another task, and we need to take it down from the internet. So we just need to keep adding in our activities, and the next one will be remove from the window display. If it has a signboard, we need to make sure we order to have the signboard removed. And we need to make sure that we remove any future advertising. And make sure everything's documented in our filing system. So I've left all the days from start blank or empty, so this way it will automatically set the date of this task to be completed on the day that I set this trail. So to set this trail I can go to the CD icon, back to the main screen, I can select listings, I can find the property that has been withdrawn, and I can change the status straight away to taken off the market or withdrawn, and I can go into my trails. I can see I've got my taken from market trail at the very bottom here. I can select this and set the trail for the vendor. I can select my start date as today's date, and that's going to give me all the activities so I won't miss anything while I'm removing this property. So the CD icon will take me back to the main screen. I need to make sure that I'm going into my scheduled tasks to be completing all of these scheduled tasks. So I can see that I have them all down the bottom here, and I need to be going through and marking them off as completed yes as I'm doing these tasks. Otherwise they'll stay in my scheduled tasks until they are completed. The CD icon will take me back to the main screen. Thank you for watching.